Hi guys, welcome to Venki's GK Bank. This is an excellent platform for preparation of IAS, IPS and other civil services exams. So without any further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Which country's president is mandated to bring out the National Security Strategy NSS? A. China, B. Russia, C. USA, D. France. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. USA. Question number 2. Morbi Bridge on the Manchu River is located in which state? A. Maharashtra, B. Gujarat, C. Assam, D. Arunachal Pradesh. Your time starts now. Right answer is B. Gujarat. Question number 3. DRDO Industry Academia Center of Excellence DIACOE has been set up in which institution? A. IIT Madras, B. IIT Roorkee, C. IISc Bangalore, D. NIT Kozhikode. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. IIT Roorkee. Question number 4. The Rattle Hydroelectrical Project is being constructed in which state or union territory? A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. Sikkim, D. Assam. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 5. Which Indian city hosts the 4th Bangladesh Film Festival in 2022? A. Guwahati, B. Kolkata, C. Kohima, D. Impal. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. Kolkata. Question number 6. When is the World Thrift Day observed in India? A. October 27th, B. October 30th, C. November 4th, D. November 7th. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. October 30th. Question number 7. Which country is the host of the Global Climate Observing Systems GCOS conference? A. Australia, B. Italy, C. Germany, D. USA. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Germany. Question number 8. Which institution regulates the KYC registration agencies KRA? A. SEBI, B. RBI, C. IRDAI, D. PFRDA. Your time starts now. The right answer is A. SEBI. Question number 9. What is the position of India in the ISSF World Championship 2022 medal tally? A first, B second, C fifth, D 10th. Your time starts now. The right answer is B second. Question number 10. Which country is the winner of the 2022 FIFA Under 17 Women's World Cup? A. India, B. Spain, C. Brazil, D. Colombia. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. Spain. Hope you got some insights on how to prepare for IAS, IPS, and other civil services exams. For more such content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Venki's GK Bank. You can also subscribe to our Telegram channel, link in the description box. Thank you.